Good morning. We're ready to do morning meeting. So we're going to start with the day of the week. So this picture means today. Today is. Yesterday was Tuesday. So today is. You can touch it on the screen gently or on your morning meeting folder.
Wednesday.
All right, let's say that in a sentence.
Today is Wednesday.
Today is Wednesday. This picture means month.
The month is.
The month is. This month has Mother's Day, so the picture of the month has a mom and a baby. Can you find May?
May.
Touch May. So we will say,
the month is May.
The month is May. This picture means date.
The date is.
The date is the 6th.
6th.
So if we said the date all together, we would say it's Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. What's this picture mean?
The weather is.
Weather. All right, if you haven't seen outside, you can go look out a window or your front or back door. Go see what the weather looks like. So depending on when you're watching, it may be cloudy, it may be sunny,
More options.
or it may be partly cloudy. So let's say that today. Part sun, part clouds.
Partly sunny.
So if we say that in a sentence, we'll say,
The weather is. More options. Partly sunny.
the weather is partly sunny. This picture means temperature.
The temperature is.
The temperature is. So right now, while Miss Ainsley's recording, it's 45 degrees. But it's going to get up to 60 degrees today. So it may be cool when you're watching, or it may be warm. Miss Ainsley's going to say cool for now. Can you touch cool?
Cool.
So we say,
The temperature is. Cool.
the temperature is cool. All right, good job, friends. Remember, it's Spirit Week. Today is Wear a Hat Day. So if you have a hat, you can wear it and send Miss Ainsley or Miss Shauna a picture. And I hope everyone works super hard today. I will talk to you all later. Bye.